Assalamu alaikum. Very good morning to all the eminent dignitaries and research scholars present over here. Myself, Amna Nazish, a research scholar at Guwahati University of Science and Technology. First of all, I have to thank my supervisor, Sarishtia, who guides me throughout my research work. And I would also like to express my gratitude towards the organizer and conveners of this conference for providing me the opportunity to present my research work in front of you all. The title of my research work is Evaluation of bacteriocin producing bacteria associated with beehives of District Kirk against multiple drug resistant bacteria. Bacteriocin producing bacteria. First, we will discuss bacteriocin. These are the proteins. The word also clue about something related to bacteria. So, bacteriocin, these are the proteins which are produced by bacteria. Both type of bacteria, gram-positive and gram-negative, produce such proteins, but the majority of bacteriocins are produced by gram-positive bacteria. Content, introduction, problem statement, objectives, material and method, results, conclusion, recommendations. Introduction. Honey beehives harbor a diverse community of bacteria, some of which are known to produce bacteriocins. Bacteriocins are antimicrobial peptides produced by bacteria that can selectively kill or inhibit the growth of other bacteria. For example, if some bacteria like gram-positive bacteria produce some bacteriocin, they can inhibit the growth of gram-negative bacteria. So in the same case, gram-negative bacteria, the bacteriocin of gram-negative bacteria will work on against the gram-positive bacteria. Antimicrobial resistance is a significant challenge for the healthcare system, and finding effective strategies to combat that is crucial. Bacteriocins are one potential option for combating drug-resistant bacteria. They have several advantages over conventional antibiotics, including their ability to target specific bacterial species. Usually, we use antibiotics against bacterial infection, but in the recent report of World Health Organization, they talk about these antibiotics have side effects, and the recent one of their recent report about 2023 about how these antibiotics affect the gut microbiota of human beings. The gut microbiota, which is a very beneficial for human health, they have a side effects on such microbiota. So we have a option to substitute the antibiotics in the form of bacteriocin. Objectives: to investigate the bacteriocin producing bacteria present in honeycombs of different species and District Kirk especially, to observe the effect of bacteriocin producing bacteria against multiple drug resistant bacteria. Problem statement: the emergence of antimicrobial resistant results and morbidities and mortalities associated with many bacterial infections and as a major concerning issues and front of healthcare system. Material and methods: collection of sample. First we taken a sample, 8 samples of honeycombs and from different apiaries and District Kirk, and these samples were honeycomb were then crushed, homogenized and normal saline, and their solution were well then cultured on BHI agar media. BHI agar media, BHI as the abbreviation of brain heart infusion agar. This is a media, this is an agar which is non-selective. It means different types of bacteria can grow on such media. But there are some also a selective agar which are specific for some bacteria. But beech eye agar is a non-selective. There are a lot of bacteria can grow on them, like nutrient agar. And then gram staining, biochemical test, and we get a result of 6 samples were positive for Bacillus subtilis and 2 were negative. It show that the honeycomb of district Karak as have a very high quantity of Bacillus subtilis. Presence of it, it gives a clue, an average value that is 6 samples were positive for Bacillus. It means there is a high existence of Bacillus subtilis and honeycombs of district Karak. And then for detection of antibacterial activity, we use 2 type of test, agar spot test and then agar well diffusion assay. At the result of these 2 methods we used, we get results like Bacillus subtilis, which is a bacteriocin producer, show an inhibition zone about 20 mm against E. coli, which is a multiple drug-resistant bacteria, and 18 mm against Streptococcus mutans. Conclusion. Finding of the study supported the presence of bacteriocin-producing bacteria, Bacillus subtilis, and majority of honeycomb of district Correct. And also such bacteria show antibacterial response against MDR bacteria like E. coli and Streptococcus mutans. Both E. coli and Streptococcus mutans are multiple drug-resistant bacteria. Streptococcus mutans, which is the major cause of tooth decay related to tooth decay diseases, different types of infections of tooths and jaws. Recommendation. It is recommended from the study that although we explore the bacteriocin producing bacteria, but for enhanced bacteriocin activity, the development of proper medium and condition needs further study. So this is all about my research work. Thank you so much.